A test between a solid-state drive and a standard hard disk drive. So the button has been pressed, and we're off. This is on a really old machine. The machine itself is underpowered for Windows 10. To be fair, it was underpowered for Windows 7. But here we go. The SSD is already starting to show. Just to be clear, it's the exact same data, the exact same boot sequence, just on a solid-state drive. And I'm running the test up until one particular app starts. And you'll see it flash on the screen when it does. Right, both screens are now up. There we go. The SSD is 16 seconds quicker. Yeah, it's nearly there. Yeah, just a bit longer. There we go. So this was how it was done. A clone, an exact copy, is made from the standard hard drive to the solid-state hard drive using a special machine and a special program. A solid-state drive can make a real difference, especially on a machine with a bit more oomph than the one I've used.